emergent weather message for the following county: Wood, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Wood County in northwestern Ohio until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Weston, or 9 miles west of Bowling Green, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bowling Green and Weston around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tontogany, Wayne, Bradner, Cygnet, Grand Rapids, Milton Center, Portage, Risingsun, Jerry City, and West Millgrove.